Tappy activated. Hi, my crypto fam. Today I'll transfer some knowledge about crypto staking. It's when you lock up your digital tokens on a blockchain to earn rewards. Usually, it's a percentage of the tokens staked. If a blockchain offers a 5% reward per month, you can lock up 100 tokens, and in a month, you'll get 5 extra tokens as a reward. The following data upload will tell you about the ways to stake crypto. It can be active staking when you lock tokens to actively participate in network tasks, or passive staking when you lock tokens simply to support the network's operation. There can also be delegated staking when you assign your staking power to a validator node, operated by someone else. Then, rewards are shared between the validator and delegators. Let's keep these coins rolling. Pool staking occurs when a group of token holders combines their tokens to increase their chances of earning rewards. During exchange staking, some exchanges handle staking on a blockchain network and distribute rewards to participants. And finally, liquid staking when you get representative tokens in return for staking. Let's process this data. Tappy deactivated.